Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your face from female to female and from female to male. Alright, so tap on your project, select your photo you like to edit, and I'm going to open my project. So to change the genders, you can click on the clip and you can find the style button. Just click on it and select the face sweep and select the gender sweep to female to change gender male to female, or if you female and want to change to male, you can click on gender sweep to male. Alright, click check smart. So here we go. That's how you can change gender in CapCut PC. In CapCut app, sorry. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.